Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Honda Ridgeline. First, make sure your vehicle is completely locked. This is a crucial safety step before initiating the remote start sequence. The system is designed to operate when the hood is fully closed, so double-check that as well. You'll also want to be within about 100 feet of your Ridgeline for the remote start signal to reach it effectively. These initial checks ensure a smooth and safe start. Now, let's get your Ridgeline started. Begin by pressing the lock button on your key fob just one time. Immediately after, within about 5 seconds, press and hold the remote start button. This button often has a circular arrow icon. Keep holding it for at least 1 second. You'll know it's working when your vehicle's parking lights flash, indicating the signal was received and the engine is preparing to start. Once the engine starts, it will run for a period of 10 minutes. During this time, your Ridgeline's parking lights will remain illuminated, providing a visual confirmation that the remote start is active. You have this 10-minute window to unlock your doors and enter the vehicle. If you need more time, you can repeat the remote start process to extend the run time by another 10 minutes. To drive your Ridgeline after remote starting, simply insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Before shifting into gear, remember to press the brake pedal. This action fully engages the vehicle's systems and allows you to drive normally. For safety, if any door is opened before the key is turned to the on position, the remote start system will automatically shut off the engine.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.